Our weather here in Kentucky over the past 24 hours has been fascinating and shocking at the same time. Get this, yesterday it was so warm here in Louisville in the 70s, we brought the indoor plants outdoors so they could breathe a little fresh air for the first time in several months. Then, overnight, a massive Arctic cold front came this way with gusting winds. So we went from record high temperatures to crashing low temperatures. Whereas I'm standing right here now, 25 degrees, and we've got wind chill factors and also gusting winds that have been gusting up to 40 miles an hour. This is how we're going to ring in 2026 here in Louisville. A crazy start, a crazy warm Christmas week. And by the way, one other thing to tell you about, yesterday in central Kentucky, we had a 3.1 magnitude earthquake.